Brandy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys a styling video. I haven't done a styling video in a really long time. It feels so good to just be back and sitting down and talking to you guys instead of my vlog style videos, which are super fun too, but I really wanted to bring you guys some fresh styling content for this fall and winter season. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 different ways on how to style Nike Low Dunk SBs. I know they're a super popular shoe right now and they come in really fun colors, so for a lot of people it may be kind of hard to style and incorporate those colors within your wardrobe, but not to fear, I'm here and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks on how to style such a fun piece like those. So before I get started, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know, at BrandyWin, and all my other social medias will be in the description below if you guys want to see behind the scenes content and other things like that, just to keep up with me. I've been vlogging recently, and I'm really proud of myself. I'm on my 2nd week of vlogging, and I would really appreciate if you guys went and checked out my last vlog, which I will link in the description below as well. But you know, just come on, get into it, get into the vibes, get into this black girl magic. Let's get started with this video on how to style the Nike Low Dunk SBs. Okay, you guys, so this is outfit number 1. If you follow me on Instagram, I did wear like each piece on my page, but in a different way. So super cute. You can wear this out, especially in the weather that it's in right now in LA, or you can layer this up with a leather jacket if you're in a colder place. I forgot to mention when I started this video, but I purchased these in the baby blue lows, and I really have been loving this color because it's been really fun styling it with just neutral tones, browns, beiges. I think it's really fun to just be creative with your looks, even when it's with a pop of color on the bottom half. I decided to style this outfit number 1 with this flannel that I got from Salnanda. It's super cute and I love it because it's kind of distressed at the bottom. It's really comfortable, breathable, and I really loved the brown in this. I was shying away from brown for a really long time, which is just crazy because browns look amazing on brown skin. So I don't know what was going on with me, but I'm happy I woke up because this look is everything. It's fabulous and I'm here for it. I love these pants as well. I showed this in my vlog that is already up right now. Go ahead and check it out. But they're also from Salnanda and they're super breathable as well. I love these because they're so like, these are actually oversized like how they're supposed to look. I've been really looking for an oversized piece, and I feel like the gray just complements the cool tones of the blue on the Nike shoes, and I think they just look fabulous with it. As well as the browns. I really like the browns because a warmer piece will really bring out the blue. I also have my little black purse that I got from the Goodwill because, you know, you can never go wrong with a cute black purse. I think it just complements it all well. And as well as jewelry, I have on my gold chain that I got from the farmer's market. For the shoes, I actually got these from the Goat. I really love them because they just have so many different styles of shoes at a really good price, and you can do it with Afterpay. That's what I do with mine. But this is outfit number 1. Okay, you guys, so this is outfit number 2. I really love this outfit. Originally, when I kind of orchestrated this look, I envisioned them with the orange ones, but having them on right now, I literally love it. So I decided to style with this wrap top, which is from Shop Rumors. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, you will know I already wore this on my Instagram and I styled it differently with the gray pants that I showed in the previous clip. I really wanted to wear this top originally with some jeans, and I really love them with jeans. I think it's super cute, it's super fun. It's a great transitional piece. I know wrap tops were really in this summer, and I've really been just feeling it this fall season as well because LA weather, you can really just wear anything here. I love how the cool tones of both the white top and the jeans complement the sneakers. I will definitely link this top in the link in the description below. Although I have had a few titty slips here and there, it's super cute and it's just a fun piece because you can wear it in so many ways. I think it's really cute. Check out the back. I tied it in the back. I thought it was really cute how it crosses over like such. Alright, you guys, this is look number 3. I really love this look. I love it because of this really amazing statement piece of a sweater gifted to me by my nanny. Thank you, girl, for sponsoring this look. But anywho, I love this print, this material of the sweater. I do not know what it's called. It's literally escaping my mind. It's really been in, especially with the sweater vests. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing this pattern, and I just really have been loving, like I said, doing neutrals with bright colors. I feel like it's such a fun play on a classic, and I think it's just really fun to do, especially with this baby blue color. And I am wearing these really cute pleathered pants from Naked, and they have really come through for me. I did a look on Instagram with them a couple of days ago, so definitely go look at that on my Instagram. And my tank top is from RUMI. Super cute. I love it. It's like a razor cut tank top. It's super comfortable and cozy. You can honestly wear this to go shopping, lunch, brunch, running errands. I think this is the perfect look for really any girl, especially someone who is a little bit more edgier. I feel like these pants really kind of dress up the look, and you can still go really casual with it with the sneakers. So I feel like it's a really nice balance of the two. But this is outfit number 3. I think it's really cute and comfortable and cozy, and you can dress it up or dress it down. So love this. Okay, you guys, so this is my final look for today's video. I decided to go for the schoolgirl vibe trend that's going on right now with the tennis skirts and the sweatshirts and the university vibes. I really wanted to channel that with this look. I pulled out this really old skirt that I got a few years ago from this small business called Constructed for Women, and I'm pretty sure they go by the same name now. I really love the warm neutral tones in it, like the browns and the warm yellow mustard color, and I paired it with this really cute neutral sweater, turtleneck sweater from Salonanda, and I really love it. This is about a year old. I'm wearing the same jewelry as always. The grays and the warm browns really go nicely with this cute blue. I really wish I would have had a pair of chunky socks to wear with this look. I feel like it would just really push the schoolgirl narrative. I decided to accessorize with this really old Nine West backpack that is my mother's. It's a hand-me-down, but it's gorgeous. It's a vintage, and you know, you have to get into it. So I really just wanted to just keep the schoolgirl vibes going with the book bag, and I just think it's really cute and simple. You could also probably wear it with a purse. So yes, this is a completed look. Okay, you guys, this brings us to the end of today's styling video. I hope you all enjoyed. Comment down below what's your favorite looks, and if this was able to help you, if you're interested in buying the shoe, or if you already have it and you don't really necessarily know what to style with it. I hope this gave you some ease, and really just have fun with it. Fashion has no boundaries, fashion has no limits, so whatever you feel the most confident in wearing and styling it with, big kudos to you, and just have fun. If you did enjoy this video, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on all my other social media links. They will be in the description below. Make sure you guys keep up with me. I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes Saturdays, so definitely subscribe if you would like to stick along for the ride. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.